Let's head home, slow and happy. Agreed. Sunshine travel only.
All clean, no trace. All snacks secured.
Ready for downhill fun.
Let's race, slowly.
Wind calm. Perfect glide.
The mountain is smiling.
Left turn by the old pine.
Still remembers us.
A stream waking up.
Let's take a short break.
Snow tea water.
Nature's refill.
Every sip tastes like peace.
And friendship.
Unmarked path.
Want to see where it goes?
Adventure Part 2 begins!
I brought extra snacks.
Look, ice blossoms. Careful, they're delicate. Never seen this before.
We're lucky travelers.
Music of the frost.
Nature's orchestra.
This place feels kind. It welcomes joy. Little snow houses. Maybe snow folk live here? Just air inside. Nature art.
Let's name it Frost Meadow.
For explorers who travel kindly.
Signed, Team Warm Paw. Almost noon. Almost noon. For lunch. Perfect time for lunch.
Today's menu. Trout and toast.
And marshmallows. Chef Monkey in control.
Approved sous chef.
Smells amazing.
Cooking keeps us warm.
Best view for a meal.
Best friends for a day. Snow castle complete.
Crown it with a leaf.
Is that another summit?
It might be the far ridge.
Old maps end here.
Then we draw new lines.
Footing solid.
Adventure safe and steady.
Mirror Lake. Hi, upside down me.
So clear it feels alive. Like glass and dream mixed.
Looks like fox tracks, but not mine.
Let's follow carefully.
Secret door?
Let's find out.
It's like walking through light.
Echoes of snow music.
It's more.
A heart of the mountain.
We'll return it after showing the village.
A story to tell.
So no one gets lost.
Always safe exploring.
The mountain waves goodbye.
We wave back.
I can already smell cocoa.
That's just you!
Golden hour magic.
Perfect time to go home.
Like dancing on snow.
every step lighter.
Best camping trip ever! Adventure graduates.
Home calling.
Answer soon.
To remember this day.
To remember together.
To remember together.
Everyone wave.
Cheese! Snow cheese!
Cotton sky again. Perfect farewell.
Don't catch me! Too late.
Trees ahead. Almost there.
Careful on roots.
Snow melts into song.
Our journey's melody.
Lanterns lit already! We're just in time.
Welcome home.
We brought mountain light. It still shines.
A gift from MARYA AI itself.
We found it beyond the ridge.
And it's warm with peace.
Let's make it the new town lantern.
Perfect.
From summit to valley, one light.
Grill time again? Always grill time.
Sharing multiplies flavor
And joy.
Step, turn, sparkle. Encore.
You made our world bigger.
We just followed kindness.
It reacts to laughter. Then it'll glow forever.
We learned that adventure means caring for people and places.
Well said. It's warm. Because you're smiling.
A reminder of unity.
Strong and gentle.
Best chorus ever.
Ready, Tabby?
Let's ring it!
Warm hearts beat faster.
Together is the magic word.
To friends, food, and fine weather.
Camp Rhythm Remix. Dance time. Even the snow is dancing. Perfect night.
Our gift to every traveler. Beautiful. Beautiful.
So everyone can enjoy safely. Smart idea. Carry the mountain light home.
Thank you. The mountains applause. Encore accepted.
Cocoa weather again.
Peace flakes.
Everyone squeeze in.
Snow cheese.
It's alive with joy. So are we.
This light will guide us. And remind us.
Our journey's melody will forever play here.
Welcome, friends, to our spring festival. The journey was long, but your warmth drew us here.
Best spots here, sunniest, comfiest. Perfect for sleeping under the stars.
Mine says Berry Bush Way.
Mine's for the wiggle worm path.
Tonight's special, berry stew with mountain herbs.
Warm paws, warm hearts, friends.
My favorite part of the night. Long ago, our valley was cold, and MARYA AI seemed distant. But courage and kindness. Look! It's listening to Tabby. It remembers every word.
The sky is glowing with our story. A beautiful welcome for our new friends.
Look! The ice is turning to silver streams.
The mountain is waking up.
Camps need repair after winter.
Let's rebuild together. Perfect name.
Approved by Snack Council.
New season, new style.
Very artistic. Small paws, big job.
Teamwork makes every path smoother.
The snow road is ready for campers. Then, let's invite the world.
We're official!
Our story continues.
We heard about your glowing stone.
Welcome, friends. Let's make new memories.
Still shining strong.
Because everyone keeps smiling.
This way. Safe slopes, soft snow.
And snacks at the end!
Feels like a festival of colors. The mountain likes it too.
Beautiful names. Every name tells a story.
Bigger circle, more friends.
And more cocoa mugs. Night will look like starlight.
Perfect for stories. Camp orchestra, ready?
Our soundtrack of joy.
Every sunset feels like homecoming.
Because home is shared.
First story night of spring.
I brought the drum.
It began with courage and cocoa, and ended with light.
Will we climb one day?
Yes, when your hearts are ready.
It listens. The mountain always does.
You brought warmth beyond the mountain.
The mountain taught us how.
Tomorrow, new paths.
Always together. The ground has stars too.
Oh, they just shine lower. Fly, snowfish. New village sport.
Festival next week?
Make it annual.
Deal. Thank you for every light.
Until next climb.
Peaceful sky.
Perfect ending.